This is the Luc Mangosteen. It's been in this pot for the last 6-7 years. I think I grew this from seeds in 2017. And I'm gonna, basically there are about 4 of them in there. And I am going to, it's 4 in the same pot. So I'm gonna have to repot it. So it's inside the greenhouse, and I'm just gonna take it out and prep it for repot. Okay, looks like these roots are going in a circle now. So need to straighten it up. Gonna remove some more dirt from it to separate them into individual plant. Okay, so I finished repotting it into individual pot. So I'm just protecting this from the sun. So it likes to have some shades, so I don't want to give it too much sun today or for the next few days. So one of the plant, so there were 4 of them in a pot, and one didn't make it. There was no roots or anything, so I'm going to try to see if I can root that in water. So the other one that I'm gonna do is this other one. So I'm gonna repot this other 2 trees in the pot. So they're same thing, Luc Mangosteen. They're much smaller than the other 3s because there's a reason for this one.